Hello.
You have two and the child. They're under 7 years old.
Yeah.
It's
They're
fine.
free, so it'll be 45.
Oh.
Welcome back to our video. Today we're going to Whiteface Mountain. Let's go!
Yung ba lang?
There you go.
Thank you.
Ano, may binoculars tayo.
Let's go up, Maya.
Before we start, make sure you click the subscribe button right now, please. Are you ready to climb up to the summit? Let's go! Here we can go in top of the mountain. Let's go!
Ano? Nangyari? Balik? Thinking po. Dala ng plate. Ayan, balik.
Sabihin mo dito sa kanya.
Yay! We made it to the top of the mountain. Let's go!
Down.
You can also use the elevator if you want, but if you don't want to, use the stairs. And the elevator is also for grandma and grandpa. Nice, right?
Hindi siya yun. Parang elevator ng building na sa condo. Ayan na. Pak, ganun.
Hey, left. Yes. Ito ulit tayo, Maya?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Next up, High Falls Gorge. Let's go! I don't know.
High Falls Gorge. Anong gagawin natin dito? Waterfalls?
See? Hiking.
Hiking. Yes. Oh, scavenger hunt.
There's going to be white signs around the waterfall. If you come back and fill out all the questions with the paper and the pencil, bring the pencil back because we're running low.
Yay! Another
Fill it out,
scavenger
and
hunt,
if
but
all
this
correct,
time
I'll let you pick out a
waterfalls,
free
we
prize.
are getting
Wow.
more surprises.
Ano ko? Ako, tuhod ko.
Thank you so much.
I got a rock from my surprise. Let's see what color it is. Our last stop is Olympic Museum. Let's go inside, okay?
Kami naglalaro ng hockey.
This is where other people can play hockey. Let's go see it.
Ba't yung Olympic Center? Ganda dito, maganda yung view dito.
Hockey. Let's see what's inside the museum.
Ito yung medal, Winter Olympics.
This is where we can pretend ski jumping.
You want to do the ski jump?
Wow, Maya.
Pabilisan. Bobsled. Let's go. Give them a merch.
Over here we can go outside. Look at the ice skating.
Oh, galing Galing. Wait, Maya. Gusto mo ba mag-aral ng figure skating o hockey?
Nothing. Just pick up stick.
Pick up stick. Ayan, tingnan mo. Ang galing ako.
The ice skating was cool, guys. Do you like it?
Anong gusto mo, Maya? Ice skating o hockey?
Nothing. Pick up
No,
stick.
no, hindi, Maya. Yun lang pipiliin mo. Ice skating o hockey?
Taekwondo. Hockey.
I want ice skating. for day 10. Hello guys, today is day 10. Now we're going home, but first we're going to the beach. Yay! The vacation is not complete without going to the beach. That is our last stop before going back to Queens, of course.
Gawa mo?
Making mountain.
Making what?
Mountain.
May beach. May pagkanyang ka pa. May bago ka na naman. Ulo mo yan, ha?
Chocolate chip pancakes. Look at them, guys.
Parang ito yung tamang service lang.